Hello and welcome back to GeoVox 24. Today, I'm going to discuss why the new US Iran agreement is putting Vice President JD Vance under the political spotlight. While the deal is being presented as a step toward reducing tensions and opening negotiations, it has also sparked controversy, confusion, and divisions within the Republican Party. With Vance taking the lead in defending the agreement, many are asking a simple question. If this deal succeeds, will he get the credit? And if it fails, will he take the blame? Let's break it down. The new US Iran agreement is not just becoming a major foreign policy story, it's also turning into an important political test for Vice President JD Vance. Over the past week, Vance has emerged as the public face of the deal. While President Donald Trump stayed more in the background on the details, Vance appeared across interviews and press briefings defending the agreement and explaining why the administration believes it can work. But that role has come with complications. At one point, Trump joked that if the deal eventually fails, he might blame Vance. The vice president brushed off the comment publicly, saying the president was joking, but it added to growing questions about whether Vance is carrying most of the political risk for a deal that many Republicans remain unsure about. Inside the Republican Party, reactions have been divided. Some see diplomacy as a practical way to reduce tensions after a conflict. Others argue the administration has given Iran too much without securing enough in return. Confusion also surrounded the agreement itself. Early on, there were mixed messages about economic support connected to Iran's reconstruction. Vance suggested there could be major international investment if Iran followed the agreement, but Trump later rejected reports suggesting America would directly fund those efforts. Another major unanswered issue is Iran's nuclear program. The current agreement does not fully settle that question and leaves the toughest technical negotiations for the next stage of talks. For JD Vance, the stakes are unusually high. If the negotiations eventually led to a long term agreement that limits Iran's nuclear ambitions and stabilizes the region, he could claim a major political and diplomatic success. But if the talks collapse or the deal becomes unpopular, critics may see him as the person most closely tied to the outcome. So, while this agreement is officially about ending conflict and opening negotiations, politically it may also become a defining moment in JD Vance's career. Comment below, subscribe for daily explainers, and stay informed because the world changes fast. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.